Welcome. If you've ever thought about starting an online business, then Fiverr could be a great option for you. In this video, I will share some essential tips to help you get started right and maximize your chances of success on this platform. First of all, it is important to identify your niche. Fiverr is a platform with a wide variety of services, so it is essential to focus on a specific field and specialize. Look for services that are popular and in demand, but that have little competition. Thus, you will be easier to find by potential customers. Second, make sure your profile looks as professional and attractive as possible. Your profile is your business card, so make sure you include a detailed description of the services you offer, as well as examples of previous work. The third tip is to use appropriate language when describing your services. Use clear and professional language to communicate effectively and precisely what you can offer your clients. Next, offer upsell opportunities. Fiverr offers the possibility to offer additional services, such as fast delivery or editing services. Try to offer these options to maximize your income. Last but not least, use your customers' feedback. Feedback is a valuable source of information to improve your services and increase your sales. Try to respond to all comments and take into account the suggestions of your customers. I hope these tips were useful to you, and I wish you much success in your online business on Fiverr. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Goodbye.